The goblet squat, we are holding a kettlebell or a dumbbell in your hands. You're standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Knees are slightly bent or soft, I like to call it. The hip and your rib cage is nice and balanced. We're not excessively extending or rounding either of these positions. We're standing nice and tall through the back. Another way to say that is engaging your core, keeping our neck and our head nice and balanced, initiating the movement with a slight knee bend and a hip bend, and our butt goes slightly back as your knees bend. And the goblet squat, we are attempting to do a full squat where the hip reaches below our knees. So for beginners, moving very slowly, slow and careful on the way down, a slight pause at the bottom, and a good controlled ascent to the top. Take a breath, come back down, staying focused. So control is the name of the game. As we start adding on weight, that's going to shift. This is going to start shifting your body as we add a little weight in the front of your body. Later on, as we move on to holding a barbell, could be on your back, in the front, or even overhead, or you might be holding a dumbbell or a kettlebell in one arm. So this starts changing the dynamics of where the center of gravity is. So simply put, we need to make sure that you are squatting very well when the weight is light or even just with your body weight, so that when we start adding weight, you have a very good understanding of how to control your body with these added weights.